Okay, I want to make some little headstones. So I'm going to use just pieces of wood that I have left over from crafts. I didn't measure these for the headstones. These are just left over from a previous craft. I have some apple barrel white and some apple barrel jet black that I just want to mix together to make a nice gray. Set those aside, let those dry, and then we'll add some names and some dates. Okay, now I want to add everything to my lantern, my skeleton, and my little mini headstones. And I have this reindeer moss from a previous DIY, and I think this just makes it look like an overgrown cemetery, which really adds to the spooky effect. And a bit of fairy lights that I found at the Dollar Tree just adds another touch. Really easy, quick, simple Halloween DIY. I really like the way this lantern turned out. This is so cute.